Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm gonna share tutorial of new TikTok trend called I'm feeling good. Advanced result. Get your clips ready. Click on first clip and go to animation. Then go to our and select slide left. Set its duration 0.1 second. Apply this animation to all pics except sixth one. Now click on second clip and again go to animation and select slide left. Set its duration to 0.1 second. Apply this to second to sixth pic. Now go to first pic and add a text and write the lyrics. Select the font and style as you want. Go to animation and select in animation blur wipe right. Set its duration about 98%. Then go to out and select fade out. Make its length equal to first pic. Copy it and drag it to next pic and change the lyrics. Do the same to the rest of the pics. Remember to rearrange the duration of text animation. Now move to first clip and go to video animation. Go to opening and closing and select oblique blur. Make the length of effect shorter. Set its blur 100 and rotate 50. Go to Object and select All Videos. Now add a keyframe at start and another at end. Set the blur 0 at second keyframe. Copy the effect 4 times and drag the fourth copy to next clip. Keep the process going till last clip. Again, go to the first clip and then go to animation and select swoosh. Select its duration 0.3 second. Apply to all clips. And we're done.